name's Janine Gurney. I'm the General Manager of Training and Capability. I'm responsible for the strategic planning, learning and capability development to ensure that our Komatsu technicians are trained to maintain our Komatsu fleet. The Komatsu Training Academy is a registered training organisation that can assist you by delivering customised training wherever you need it. We deliver training online, on site, in any of our Komatsu facilities. We also have training offerings that include a mix of fully accredited training as well as short courses and skill sets, along with purpose-designed operator, technical and leadership training. We also offer the Autonomous Workplace and Remote Operations course, as well as our Smart Construction training. We have two purpose-built education training facilities now. One is based in Brisbane. It is one of the most advanced technical training facilities for mining, earth moving and utility equipment in Australasia. We also have a second facility, which is based in Welshpool, Perth. Komatsu has invested over $6 million in state-of-the-art apprentice and innovation training facility. It is a highly interactive, technically advanced and globally connected facility that is designed to establish career pathways into high technology areas in autonomous and smart construction. So our innovative and futuristic training facilities here at Welshpool will deliver a platinum level of training, helping to create career development opportunities for our current and future generations. Here at Komatsu, one of the things that we do look at is our upgrade programs. So we do upgrade from, say, a light motor vehicle mechanic right through to an upskill somebody to a mobile plant fitter or diesel mechanic. We also support diesel fitters and cross-skill them in digitalisation, which includes things like safety checks, augmented reality and remote diagnosis. Our award-winning apprenticeship training program aims to deliver not just the technical skills, but also gives our apprentices those essential life and business skills to help them thrive not only within Komatsu, but also in the overall industry.
Hi, my name's Sophie. I'm 20 years old and I'm a third-year auto electrician here at Komatsu. The great thing about Komatsu is their commitment to ongoing training and development with their apprentices. We have the training centre, which is awesome. The facilities are brand new and state-of-the-art.
Our innovative apprentice program has achieved measurable results, with apprentices being 6 months ahead of their peers doing a traditional apprenticeship trade-based program. This gives our apprentices a 1-year advantage at the completion of their training.
Hi, my name is Sam. I'm 22 years old and I'm a second-year mobile plant mechanic at Komatsu. I wanted to complete my apprenticeship at Komatsu as it's a big OEM, so I knew it would have lots of opportunities for me doing my apprenticeship. As it's such a big name as well, I knew the safety culture would be really highly regarded here, which is another really important reason.
Hi, I'm Sky. I'm 23 years old and I'm in my second year of my trade as an electrician with Komatsu. One of my favourite things about working for Komatsu is the innovation side of things. The technology that's emerging is really exciting and being a part of that is really cool.
We encourage diversity of thought and psychological safety within our workplace. We have a dedicated recruitment team that works closely with our school guidance counsellors to show female students that a trade-based career path is a viable option with Komatsu. We also have senior female mentors within our business.
From working firsthand with Komatsu's intelligent machinery, I've seen that they are the forefront of developing these technologies within the industry and they will continue to do so, and I'm excited for the future.
The current challenges present an even greater need to create an industry-leading future-focused training facility here in the West. Hence why Komatsu has invested heavily into their people and to build this beautiful new training facility.